It's a concept that some of our staff came up with 3 years ago. I mean, the staff here are dealing with some of the most complex, harrowing crimes that we see in society, and they really wanted to give something back to children who at this time of year perhaps won't get anything at all at Christmas time. Initially it was just the police officers and staff who would collect an additional present, but then over the last 3 years they've grown this to involve partners such as the Cardiff Business Improvement District, social services and some of our commercial partners out there, and it's resulted in about 5,000 presents being collected, and today witnesses us giving those presents back to some of those families and children who they're currently working with who may not receive anything at all. We've had a choir competition with St Philip Evan Primary, and the winning choir, Riverbank Special School, who won for all their endeavour. So it was a real special occasion to have children from both schools perform for us here today, and also meet Santa and assist us to celebrate giving out these presents to those in need.